welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Siphethe legend lethu bafethu the Juju man. Godman umnandi.
Ngimnandi mfethu kambani.
Ngimnandi Godman, asijabule nje ukuba nawe today. Igame ulibone kanjani today?
Mfethu man, disappointing ngama results, but then again we must give credit to the boys. They played their heart out. I think noma ingasebenzelanga iphetini ka Hugo, Canada came well prepared. I think bastadishe kakhulu and ngoba besazi ukuthi ondlula nama I'm surprised with performance in Canada today. But look, abafana badlalile.
So but don't you think ukuthi coach ukuthi adonsurile la it was a bad decision?
Yeah, partly I feel so, but then again besingadlali first half. It was only fair ukuthi coach mhlawumbe ubone ukuthi because they are coming to us, maybe masinga container immediately siza babamba nge-counter, but it didn't work to our favor today. But hey, ngiyabahlonipha labafana basebenzile.
Basebenze kakhulu Godman. So who was the standout nje today?
Look, uyazi ukuthi umbokazi has been the rock for the South African football in a while. Lentwana ihleli isazohlala ihlalisise. I think umbokazi for me was the player who stood out. As much as sizokhuluma ngama player amaningi like abo Umudiba no lokindana, but umbokazi today showed us ukuthi he is the man to trust. Uye umthunyiwa wethu.
Sure Godman. So you encourage abafana as someone who played disc before, you understand ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukudliwa. Tell nje you encourage abafana, but I think they've worked so well.
No, look, intwana lesifana they must just lift their head up. They've played and they've represented us well. Yes, ama results atwathulanga labo esiwafuna today. Marabona, I take my head off. Basebenzile abafana and they must be proud of themselves. Ukuthi kuma knockout stage bafikile. And I just hope the continuity Hugo, if we are humble, the continuity bekhona. Phela that's my message to the boys. Ukuthi they must just lift their heads up. Ukuthi sikhona siyosebenza and we've made the nation proud.
You've heard it, Mzansi. Siphethe the South African football legend, the Juju man. Thula Sizembuyane, siyabonga Godman.
Ngiyabonga bafethu. Thank you bafethu.
Bopa.
All the way.